It is time for the top 10. These are the only trades, the top 10 trades you need to know about for this morning. Now, starting with number 10, Mattel, the toy manufacturer, came out with a beat this morning, both on revenue and profit. Earnings per share came in at 28 cents, well above estimates of 21 cents per share, and the stock is surging, as you can see, in the pre-market. Dom?
Yeah, Betty, from Barbies to brokers here. Charles Schwab also beating estimates this morning with earnings of 20 cents per share. They include a $44 million after-tax gain from a vendor dispute. Shares of the company have risen 13% so far year to date. Josh.
Number 8 would be Google, the internet company losing one of its top execs, Marissa Mayer, the woman behind Gmail and Google Maps. Mayer has left Google to take the CEO's position at Yahoo, Betty.
One of our big stories this morning. At number 7, HSBC, a report by Senate investigators says the bank did business with firms linked to terrorism and failed to guard against money laundering violations in Mexico. Lawmakers plan to question bank executives at a hearing in Washington today.
Number 6 is Coca-Cola. The soda giant topped analyst estimates with earnings per share coming in at $1.22. That is 3 cents higher than estimated. Now, this beat was helped by pricing increases in North America late last year. Josh?
Number 5 is Intel. The tech company is reporting earnings right after the closing bell this afternoon. As investors, they wait to hear how a slowdown in China alongside the crisis in Europe has affected the largest chip maker, Betty.
And your fourth stock to watch this morning is Johnson and Johnson, one of Warren Buffett's top holdings, by the way. Out with earnings earlier this morning. It beat on EPS, or earnings per share, by a penny, but not all positive news. Net income for the second quarter fell by 49%, and J&J cut 2012 forecast, citing unfavorable foreign exchange rates. Dom?
Yeah, number 3, Betty, of course, Goldman Sachs out with its earnings this morning. It beat analyst estimates even as revenues fell. The conference call, it's set to begin at 9:30, just a few moments from now. We're going to be monitoring that call, and we'll bring you all the details as they cross. Sheila?
Well, number 2 is not a stock, but it's U.S. Treasuries. We are watching government bonds as Ben Bernanke prepares to speak on the state of the economy as part of a semi-annual report to Congress. Now, the 10-year yield is currently hovering near an all-time low. Betty?
Well, we said we were watching Google. We're also, of course, watching our number 1 stock, which is Yahoo, ahead of the earnings after the bell today, but also after the company made that stunning announcement yesterday that Google's Marissa Mayer will be the new CEO in an attempt to end all the management turmoil at this company.